As the surge continues, local leaders are urging you to celebrate at home on this 4th of July weekend.
That's as local theme parks are inviting guests to fireworks shows. Eyewitness News reporter Holly Stouffer joins us from Six Flags Fiesta, Texas.
And Holly, their fireworks show just wrapped up within the hour.
Yeah, Deborah and Aaron, this is one of two spots in town that you can go to watch the fireworks. It's here at Fiesta, Texas and SeaWorld. Mayor Ron Nirenberg would rather you stay home, however, even though Judge Nelson Wolff says that these parks are working with the city to keep people safe.
Each case is a person.
Heading into the holiday weekend, San Antonio hits a new record of coronavirus cases. The city canceled its fireworks display. Under Governor Greg Abbott's orders, theme parks can still move ahead with theirs.
They're working with us too, both Fiesta Texas and SeaWorld.
Both are limiting capacity, so it's easier to social distance. There are temperature checks at the gates and masks are required. However, Mayor Ron Nirenberg says your safest option is to stay home.
Your social life is not worth someone else's actual life.
He's asking people to keep the party within their household. You should also avoid sharing food and drinks. And if you want to meet up with other people, keep it outdoors and wear your mask.
You've got to be really careful that nobody feels invincible because no one is immune.
The coronavirus changes how we celebrate yet another holiday. But if we continue to work together to stop the spread, we can get back to normal.
And you do that just by putting on a mask. You do that for a couple of weeks, we'll see our numbers drop.
Holly, Mayor Nirenberg says avoiding buying fireworks altogether is another way we can all help the community.
Avoiding to buy fireworks, actually, Aaron, he says if people aren't setting off fireworks at home, this could actually help out our firefighters, because when they have to respond to a fire or an injury after someone's hurt because of a firework, that takes them away from helping out in this pandemic, since they're the ones who are transporting sick patients. So again, Nirenberg is asking people to stay home and maybe try just watching the fireworks on TV this year. But if you do want to go out, the fireworks here at Fiesta, Texas will be going on at 9 tomorrow and on Sunday. We're live on the northwest side. Holly Stouffer, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.